you went to a different house.
No, I had 2 orders.
It didn't say that on the phone.
That's not my problem.
But that's your
Just
job,
so you know,
dude.
Just so you know, I'm recording all this.
That's cool. That's your job, though.
Just so you know, I'm recording all this.
That's
Go ahead
cool.
and make your
All
complaint.
these security cameras right here, bro, are recording.
Go ahead and make your complaint. So I didn't disrespect nobody. You could tell that Doordash will tell you because they see the messages.
What other order did you have for Doordash?
I just dropped off another order for owner.
Then why didn't it say that you were dropping off another order on the thing like it usually does? When we have different drivers that are dropping off.
Bro,
Exactly.
I just had another order.
Another order, but let me say this. On Doordash, when our drivers have different orders, it actually says that it's dropping off a different order.
I don't know why he's not doing it this time. It's not my problem. Why you got something against me? Because you think I disrespected your wife? Because she said, where are you?
I came at you.
You came out here, you said, you disrespected my wife.
Yeah, I came at you nicely, bro.
No,
I could have came at you.
I've been recording since I started.
Really, bro?
I've been recording since I started.
You just swinging, homie.
Hey, you want to get down to that? Let's do it. What's good?
I don't get down. I kill people. So what's up, homie?
Look at that guy.